As you guys can see by the title of this video, it's a super exciting one. I can now say that I'm officially a Sigma affiliate. And they also sent me a box of goodies, so I'm gonna do like an unboxing with you guys. So I'm pretty excited for multiple reasons. The number one reason why I'm the most excited is because I actually reached out to Sigma like 2 years ago and I got denied. They didn't want to go ahead with my application. I don't know what the reason behind it was. Maybe I didn't have enough subscribers, maybe they didn't like my content, I don't really know. But I did get denied like 2 years ago and I was kind of like, but everybody's a Sigma affiliate, you know, like, so I kind of had a little pity party for myself. And then I got an email not too long ago and they asked me if I would like to join their team and I was like, what? Yes, I do. It is so awesome. I'm so happy to be a part of Sigma. And as always, I'm not going to recommend anything to you guys unless I like honestly like it. And if you've been on my channel for the last 3-4 years, you know that I've already been using like Sigma products. I typically just use their brushes. I haven't really tried any of their makeup products or anything like that, which I think there are some in this box I am going to show you guys. So if you would like to see me do an unboxing of the PR box that I got, please keep watching. So this is what it looks like, and it came with this little card right here. It says, Brittany, welcome to the Sigma family. Enjoy your Sigma goodies. How exciting is that? I keep these little cards all the time. So as you can see, I already got into this box. So I'm just gonna grab a few things. So the first thing in here is the 3D HD blender. So I think it's their version of a sponge. Well, duh. It says flawless application. I've never tried this. It says the 3D HD blender pushes ordinary beauty sponges to the edge with the innovative design inspired by our best-selling 3D HD brushes, reaching every contour of the face, prime, conceal, and sculpt, and more for truly high definition skin. Use the edges, flat surfaces, and points to ensure seamless all over coverage. So this is what the sponge looks like. It feels kind of dense. So I'm excited to get it wet and then see if it gets any softer or how much it expands. Next I have the F56 Highlighting Brush. So this is what this brush looks like. So this says, okay, it says the function is to highlight the face and cheekbones. Use with cream or powder products to highlight the cheekbone and to buff products with ease. So I think I'm gonna try it with concealer first. Next I have some makeup products, which I'm excited for because I've never tried any makeup from them. This is the Aurora powder. It says it's a face powder. Let's see, I don't know if it's a highlighter. Oh, I think it's a blush. So it is in this little compact. And then this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure this is a blush. Looks like a nice kind of matte peachy shade. Then I have the Shimmer Cream. This is a highlighter. It's in the shade Brilliant. This is the packaging. That's what that looks like. Ooh. I mean, it feels really soft. I mean, to me, this looks more of like a blush topper. I don't know if you're really gonna be able to see that. Then I have the eyeshadow base primer in the shade Sorbet. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a eyeshadow stick, actually. Ooh. That's the shade right there. It's like a dusty pink metallic. Then I have the curling mascara. I didn't even know they had a mascara. This is called the SINUOSITY. Oh god, I don't know. But this is the mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that in the packaging. It's because I just opened up like 3 new mascaras, so I don't want to open up another one and then one of them dry out. Then I have this little envelope right here. It's just a packet of information about their products and stuff like that. Next I have the Sigma E38 Diffused Crease Brush. Ooh, I don't have this. I usually use the Sigma E40 and then I use the Sigma E25. And then I also use the Sigma Inner Corner brush for my nose highlight. I just realized I don't even have a brow highlight on today. Ooh, feels pretty nice. This is what it looks like. Just kind of looks like a smaller version of the E40. Then I have a new one of these. I actually just threw mine out because it fell apart. I seriously have had it for like 4 years, so I just threw it away. This is the Sigma F80 Flat Kabuki. This is like the most famous brush from them, I think. It's a really good foundation brush, and it won the Best of Beauty Allure Awards in 2016. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this in here because I am using a different, right now I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation brush, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave this in the packaging. What's crazy about this is this next product I actually bought from Riley Rose when I went there, and it's the Sigma Brush Shampoo. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this in here too because I'm still using the one I already purchased and I really like it, so I'm excited that I have a backup. Then I have the Sigma Liquid Pen Eyeliner, Deeply Saturated Intense Lines in One Swipe. This is in the shade Wicked. The last thing I have, which I'm really excited about because I've been wanting to buy this and I just haven't, this is the Spa Express Brush Cleaning Matte. I've been wanting this for so long, I just never bought it. So I'm super excited to test this bad boy out. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I'm super excited to be a part of the Sigma team, and like I told you guys in the beginning, that just goes to show, like, don't give up, because 2 years ago, they didn't want me. And now they do. So it's like, just keep pushing through and like things will happen if they're meant to be. I'm not a mushy person, so that's as much as you're gonna get out of me. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.